Like, you can't get past it if you steady bring it up.
I want a slim fine woman with some pork with her.
Throw that, twerk that, shake that, bounce that.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Imkaylaj, and we coming back to you with another video. And today it's gonna be a mukbang. And we're gonna talk about things that guys do that girls hate. So yeah, y'all gonna watch us eat and talk. We got Subway. We here with Tootsie and Jordan. So yeah.
True.
So what do y'all dislike the guys do?
So I hate when like dudes be lying. Like
That's number one. Like,
What the fuck are you lying for?
no, when they say what I got to lie for, and then they still be lying.
we know when y'all be lying.
Definitely. Y'all are like, you could tell, like, you don't even gotta know a person that long. You just tell how they ass be lying. You just hear it in their voice. I don't like dudes that are nonchalant.
Oh my god, I was gonna say that because I don't like dudes that's nonchalant.
Like, express your feelings. What the fuck?
Hey, tell me what it is and what it ain't. Period.
Period. Because you're not gonna. No, you're gonna be nonchalant. I'm gonna be nonchalant. You don't care. I don't care. Period. What else is good? Ooh, I don't like niggas that think they too cute. Cause like, we know you fine. But like, that's gonna make me like, nah. Because he just think y'all that cocky.
This sound like busting.
I'm over here slamming on these chips.
I hate when boys take so long to text back. Like,
Yes.
what you be doing?
But when I take long to text back,
It's a problem.
Right.
I don't be texting people back like that, so I just don't be saying the shit, so I kind of do what y'all saying. But sometimes niggas, guys, they be doing that shit because they just fucking stupid.
I hate when like if they do something, it's okay, but if we do something,
Like
there's
cheating.
something wrong with it.
You cheat on me, I'm gonna cheat back.
No, you cheat on me, I'm
Yeah,
gonna
I
leave.
kid.
But,
Dang, gang.
but you could go cheat, but as soon as your girlfriend cheat, oh, she over with.
Right.
You doing her, like,
You done.
double standard.
You calling her out her name and stuff. Like, the guy.
Don't call me no bitch now, cause
Your mama one.
Ooh, I got a story time about that once this way. This boy that I call his mama a bitch.
Did you?
No. Fuck it. I'm gonna tell the fucking story first. So, me and my ex-boyfriend, that's when we was, our relationship was like winding down. And he sent a picture. I don't know, maybe I did too much a little bit. He sent a picture smiling because I went out of town, like the day of his game. And then, who took the picture? He trying to beat around the bush. So of course I'm gonna think like the girl took the picture. He like all smiling. So he took the picture. Don't worry about blah blah blah. I'm like, so you got bitches taking your pictures, blah blah blah. So you calling my mama a bitch? So yeah. Now let's do what we like, because it's a lot of stuff about niggas that I like that a lot of niggas like
Oh my god.
don't do.
I tried.
I'm confused.
I like when I wake up to unexpected paragraphs. Oh my god.
I used to like that shit too. Must be nice. That shit cute.
or like doing stuff out the blue, you know.
That's like a nice too. Like they don't be doing too much. It's like, what are you doing too much for? Well, it's like, I like guys that like, not like that. Would I like compliment you like all the time? Like, they be like, good morning, beautiful. Or baby girl. All them little cute little names. Like,
Baby girl.
I like you like that.
Cute. Especially baby girl. It's like,
Yeah, like, that's what I am. Then I like when dudes like open the door for you. It's just certain stuff like you look for.
Little things.
Yeah, like you see that like another guy do, and then another guy won't. You just be like, like dudes pumping the gas for you. Like,
yes, I never pump my own gas. It's disgusting. It is. I don't like pumping gas. I like when like they just text you and be like, get yours, I'll come to get you.
whoa! Yes, we go ahead tonight. And we're like, okay.
Right.
Ooh, I hate when niggas they don't never know where they want to go. Like, you always got a plan. You always got to plan
Oh,
stuff.
yeah.
Like, please, like, get it together, guys.
You playing it ain't no amount to spend. Why is it all this money?
I swear to God, you sound so good.
It is. Y'all, we didn't plan to match either.
No. Before y'all call us childish.
They are tired. Okay. I like a lot of little stuff. Like, go like, that shows like a lot. It shows like how you raise, like if you husband material, if you hoe material. That's the truth.
Wow.
It's the truth. Like, I would dead ass be like, nah. Like, you ain't put my gas, nah.
Some dudes was raised right. They just choose to be a little poor.
Oh, and another thing, I like when, like, you know, you walk in and they move you on the inside. You supposed to do that.
Yeah, my boyfriend don't like that.
Like, so, like, it just show that they, like, care. Yeah, when they act stupid to the situation, they be like, huh?
What are you talking about?
What? Boy, you know what the fuck I'm talking about. You know. Period.
They say boys don't change their sheets regularly.
Not surprised.
That's disgusting.
I be wondering about something, but I ain't gonna say that on camera.
Oh, y'all. No, I hate when boys be like, you doing too much. It ain't that serious. It ain't that deep. Well, nigga, it's deep to me.
No, for real. Like, what do you mean? Girls, we can be overreacting sometimes for like.
We have our reasons.
Yeah, exactly. Like, you're not just gonna do too much, like, just to like start an argument. It's just well.
And then, like, never mind. That's too specific.
What?
Say it.
When, like, they be like, you always bringing up the past. Stop living in the past. That was the past. Like, nigga.
Boy.
If you keep bringing it up, that means like,
It's bothering you.
yeah, it really hurts you.
Like, you can't get past it if you steady bringing it up. Like, think what y'all had. The girl ain't just gonna be bringing up nothing for no fucking reason.
Right.
They can't they don't know how to do that. They gonna always think of their little Peter whackers. So.
Ooh, when you text them like a paragraph with everything, like,
and they answer one fucking thing.
one thing, like, this a whole essay. And you trying to answer one thing?
They just think that shit funny. That's why I start being like, if somebody express themselves to me, I'll flip that shit. I'm what?
Cool story, bro.
1-6 is back. Get their ass. For this picture got no feelings. Nope, they did.
I hate when. Oh wait, what you talking about? So
We doing like both.
Oh, when he be on the game, 24/7. Girl, I be about ready to throw it up against the wall.
And then there's it to it. You ask me to be on the game or be out here cheating?
Well, I like when guys open the door for you.
Same.
That's really cute. Like literally, anybody, like any nigga I get in the car with, he'll open the door for me. In my head, I'm like, nope. Nope. You gotta go. I'm not gonna cut you off right then and there, but like I be paying attention to all the little details. Hello.
Yeah, she finna be like, well, that wraps up this video. Watch.
Guess what? What the fuck going on? What the fuck? Oh shit!
Yeah.
Hey, you talking about that?
Get out that muffin.
Your big rabbit foot ass.
Alright. Well, that wraps up this video. Like T-Dollar said.
I knew she was gonna say that. Y'all add me on Snapchat, okay? She gonna put it down below.
All right, everybody, that's the end of this video. We got interrupted, so I wasn't able to film the outro. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you later. Bye.